Never ever pull fire alarms for fun. It is illegal and it's against the law. If you pull it, you will get arrested by police. If you see a fire alarm in a public building, don't go up to it and pull it. Don't pull it for fun. Don't throw any objects at the fire alarm. Don't smash the fire alarm. If you pull the fire alarm for fun, it's just like the boy who cried wolf, because the fire department is having to come to your fake emergency while they got to go to their real emergency. And the people in their real emergency will die in that fire, while these firemen have to go to your false emergency. So don't pull fire alarms for fun. It is illegal. These are only for emergencies. Bye.